Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this video lesson, we will look at another aspect of Romanian grammar. Hai să începem. Let's start. An adjective in Romanian can also have degrees of comparison, grade de comparație. There are three main degrees of comparisons, but we have further subdivisions and slight variations between the masculine and the feminine genders. The three degrees of comparison are positive, positive, comparative, comparative, and superlative, superlative. The positive degree denotes the quality in itself without any comparison. For example, the adjective frumos, frumos, beautiful. The comparative degree compares the qualities of a noun. For example, the comparative degree for the adjective frumos, frumos, beautiful, can be comparative degree of superiority, mai frumos, more beautiful. Of equality, la fel de frumos, la fel de frumos, as beautiful as. Of inferiority, mai puțin frumos, mai puțin frumos, less beautiful. The superlative degree is divided into relative superlative, superlative relative, and absolute superlative, superlative absolute. The relative superlative is further divided into superlative of superiority, superlative de superioritate, and superlative of inferiority, superlative de inferioritate. For example, the superlative degree for the adjective frumos, beautiful, can be relative superlative of superiority, cel mai frumos, cel mai frumos, the most beautiful. Of inferiority, cel mai puțin frumos, cel mai puțin frumos, the least beautiful. Absolute superlative, foarte frumos, foarte frumos, very beautiful. The feminine form of beautiful, frumoasă, frumoasă, follows the same rules but with slight variations. Positive degree, frumoasă, frumoasă. Comparative degree of superiority, mai frumoasă, mai frumoasă, more beautiful. Of equality, la fel de frumoasă, la fel de frumoasă, as beautiful as. Of inferiority, mai puțin frumoasă, mai puțin frumoasă, less beautiful. Superlative degree, relative superlative of superiority, cea mai frumoasă, cea mai frumoasă, the most beautiful. Of inferiority, cea mai puțin frumoasă, cea mai puțin frumoasă, the least beautiful. Do note that cea is used with the feminine, while cel with the masculine. Cea mai puțin frumoasă, feminine, cel mai puțin frumos, masculine. Absolute superlative, foarte frumoasă, foarte frumoasă, very beautiful. And that's the end of another Romanian language lesson. Now it's your turn. make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way, you won't miss the next episode. Ciao! This is Mihnea, signing off from Beijing.